We are given that x plus y is equal to 10, and x times y is equal to 14, and our goal is to find the values of x and y. Now, there are many ways to solve this type of problem. For example, we could express y as 10 minus x and substitute y into this product, and form a quadratic equation like this, and solve it. Or we could use the identity x minus y squared equals x plus y squared minus 4 times xy, then find x and y by solving simple system of linear equations like this. But in this video, I will show you a method that is a bit out of the box, super fast, and not what most people think of. We will going to solve this problem with the help of symmetric identity. If you have observed closely, this problem is symmetric in x and y, meaning even if you write y plus x equals 10 and y times x equals 14, the problem still looks the same. So to solve this kind of symmetry problem, we take this sum, which is 10, and divide it by 2, that gives 5. Now let's set x equal to 5, plus some variable r, and y equal to 5 minus some variable r. This symmetrical setup makes the algebra super clean and easy to work with. Now substituting these into the product we get, 5 plus r times 5 minus r equals 14, right? Using the difference of squares identity, that is, p plus q times p minus q equals p squared minus q squared, this becomes 5 squared minus r squared, which is 25 minus r squared, correct? Now equating this with 14 gives us 25 minus r squared equals 14. Now shift this r squared here and 14 here to get r squared equals 25 minus 14, which is 11, and taking the square root we get r as positive root 11 or negative root 11. Now if r is positive root 11, then x equals 5 plus root 11 and y equals 5 minus root 11. Similarly, if r equals negative root 11, then x equals 5 minus root 11 and y equals 5 plus root 11. And that's it. Nice, clean, and super quick, right? But wait, before you go, can you solve x plus y equal 20 and x times y equals 34 using the same method? Think it through and share your answer in the comments below. Let us see who can figure it out. If you enjoyed this explanation and learned something new, do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more fun, brain-teasing math questions. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.